Good morning. So in this video, I am going to discuss about some common names of chemical compounds. Common names of some important chemical compounds. The first one, molecular formula HCl. The first compound molecular formula HCl. It has a common name muriatic acid. It's called as muriatic acid, and its chemical name is nothing but hydrochloric acid. So hydrochloric acid, common name is nothing but muriatic acid. Right. The second one, formula HNO3, common name is aqua fortis. What is this called? Aqua fortis. HNO3 is nothing but nitric acid. You know that the chemical name of the compound having molecular formula HNO3 is nothing but nitric acid. The next one, molecular formula of the compound is C6H5OH, which is called as carbolic acid. The common name of this compound is carbolic acid. It's nothing but a compound having benzene ring with OH group. We know very well that benzene with OH group is nothing but phenol. So phenol common name is carbolic acid. The next compound with formula CuSO4.5H2O. Common name is called as blue vitriol. It's blue color compound. It is a blue color compound and it is called as blue vitriol. Its chemical name is nothing but copper sulfate pentahydrate. CuSO4 copper sulfate. It has 5 water molecules, so pentahydrate. So H2O is called hydrate, 5 times, so pentahydrate. The next one, formula FeSO4.7H2O. The common name of this compound is green vitriol. Is nothing but ferrous sulfate heptahydrate. FeSO4 ferrous sulfate with 7H2O molecule, so that's heptahydrate. Okay, so ferrous sulfate heptahydrate, which has common name green vitriol. The next one, molecular formula ZnSO4.7H2O, which is called as white vitriol. Chemical name zinc sulfate heptahydrate. Zinc sulfate with 7 water molecules, so it's called as zinc sulfate heptahydrate. So let's look at these 3 compounds: copper sulfate pentahydrate, ferrous sulfate heptahydrate, zinc sulfate heptahydrate. Copper sulfate blue in color and it's called as blue vitriol. Ferrous sulfate is a green color salt. Ferrous sulfate heptahydrate is called as green vitriol. The next one, ZnSO4.7H2O. So zinc sulfate is a colorless compound, white compound, so it is called as white vitriol. A similar compounds. The next one with formula CaSO4.2H2O. CaSO4.2H2O, which has a common name gypsum. Its chemical name is calcium sulfate dihydrate. There are 2 water molecules, so that's called as calcium sulfate dihydrate. Okay, so next compound with formula CaSO4.half H2O. Calcium sulfate with half H2O molecule, isn't it? Its common name is plaster of Paris. Its common name is plaster of Paris. Chemical name CaSO4 with half H2O. Hemihydrate. Half H2O is nothing but hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. That is a chemical name of plaster of Paris. The next compound with formula N2O, an oxide of nitrogen, which is called as laughing gas, isn't it? I think you know you're familiar with this compound. So its common name is laughing gas. Chemical name, so nitrous oxide. What is it? Nitrous oxide. The next one, compound formula CaF2, common name blue john. Chemical name is nothing but calcium fluoride. Okay. Molecular formula is COCl2. Common name is phosgene. Phosgene gas. So gaseous compound, so it can be called as phosgene gas also. Correct. So its chemical name is carbonyl chloride. COCl2, CO portion carbonyl Cl2, so it's called as carbonyl chloride. Okay. The next one with formula CaO. The common name of this compound is quicklime. What is it? Quicklime. A product what we get when limestone is heated with evaluation of carbon dioxide gas, isn't it? Its common name is quicklime. CaO is nothing but calcium oxide, chemical name. This compound with formula CaOH twice, whose common name is slaked lime. What is it? Slaked lime. When the previous compound calcium oxide, when is added with water, probably you will get this compound of formula CaOH twice. It is obtained from quicklime and it is called as slaked lime. So chemical name calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice calcium hydroxide, which is a basic compound, isn't it? The next one with formula NaOH, called as caustic soda. Caustic soda, common name. Then the chemical name of this compound is nothing but sodium hydroxide. Na with OH group, hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. Okay. The next one, molecular formula KOH, which is called as caustic potash. And chemical name is potassium hydroxide. NaOH, caustic soda, KOH, caustic potash. Correct. And KOH has another name also, common name, Li. What is it? LYE, what you called as Li. Alkali, we call it as water soluble bases, we call it as alkalis, isn't it? So the Li name comes from alkali. Okay, right. So potassium hydroxide has two different common names, caustic potash, another one Li. Okay, right. The next compound with formula SiO2, it's nothing but sand. Common name of this compound is sand. Chemical name silicon dioxide, SiO2, Si with 2 oxygen, so that's called as silicon dioxide, just similar to CO2, carbon dioxide, isn't it? Right. The next compound has formula CaCO3, limestone. What is it? Limestone. The chemical name of this compound is calcium carbonate, a carbonate derivative of calcium, alkaline earth metal, isn't it? Right. The next one Na2CO3.10H2O, which is called as washing soda, so which is used for the preparation of washing powder, so it's called as washing soda. Then chemical name sodium carbonate decahydrate, Na2CO3 sodium carbonate with 10 water molecules, isn't it? So that is called as decahydrate. Okay. The next one with formula NaHCO3, which is called as baking soda. The common name of this compound is baking soda. So it is used for baking purpose, because when this compound is added with baking material and heated, it produces carbon dioxide gas, which makes the food material fluffy, isn't soft and fluffy, so that it is called as baking soda. Its chemical name is sodium bicarbonate. NaHCO3 is nothing but sodium bicarbonate, or it is also called as sodium hydrogen carbonate. You can call sodium hydrogen carbonate also. HCO3 portion is hydrogen carbonate. The next compound with formula AgNO3, which is called as lunar caustic. The common name of this compound is lunar caustic. Ag silver NO3, silver nitrate is chemical name. The next one CH4, the first member of alkane derivative, which is called as marsh gas. What's it? Marsh gas. Its chemical name is methane, you know very well, isn't it? CH4. The next one with formula CH3OH, an alcoholic compound, first member of alcohol homologous series, which is called as wood spirit. CH3OH common name is nothing but wood spirit, and the chemical name is either methyl alcohol or methanol. Methyl alcohol or methanol is the chemical name of the compound having formula CH3OH. So next also an alcoholic compound, formula C2H5OH, which is called as grain alcohol. C2H5OH common name is what? Grain alcohol, and the chemical name either ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Okay. The next one, acid, a mineral acid of formula H2SO4, sulfuric acid, which is commonly called as oil of vitriol. What is this called? Oil of vitriol, and it is also called as king of chemicals. So you know that, isn't it? Sulfuric acid is also called king of chemicals, H2SO4. Sulfuric acid is nothing but its chemical name, isn't it? Okay. But H2SO4 has common name either oil of vitriol or king of chemicals. So next one with molecular formula Na2S2O3.5H2O, which is called as hypo. The common name of this compound is what? Hypo. Is nothing but sodium thiosulfate pentahydrate. Na2S2O3 is nothing but sodium thiosulfate with 5 water molecules. So that's called as pentahydrate. Sodium thiosulfate pentahydrate, simply called as hypo. The next one with formula Na2B4O7.10H2O. Its common name borax. What is it? Borax, an important compound which is used for making glass articles. Right. Its chemical name sodium tetraborate. Na2B4O7 is nothing but sodium tetraborate, B4, so tetraborate with 10 water molecules, so decahydrate. Sodium tetraborate decahydrate is the chemical name of this borax. The next one with formula CS3 COOH, a member of monocarboxylic acid, isn't it? Which is commonly called as vinegar, what we use as a food preservative, isn't it? This chemical name is acetic acid. The next one, NaCl, a salt of alkali metal, what we use in our daily life, which has common name is called either rock salt, table salt, or common salt. It can be called either rock salt, table salt, or common salt. Its chemical name is nothing but sodium chloride. So which is used as additive for food materials, you know very well. CCl3NO2. Next compound molecular formula CCl3NO2, which is called as tear gas. The common name of this compound is tear gas. It's a nitro compound actually, a compound with NO2 group, isn't it? So that we call it as nitro compound, isn't it? Its common name tear gas. Its chemical name is chloropicrin. What is it? Chloropicrin, or it is also called as trichloronitromethane. Actually, it's a derivative of chloro derivative of nitromethane, CS3NO2, a chloro derivative of CS3NO2. CS3NO2 is nothing but nitromethane. In nitromethane, the 3 hydrogens are getting substituted by 3 chlorine, so it's also called as trichloronitromethane. That is the chemical name of this compound, tear gas, CCl3NO2, which can be used as an explosive material also. That is an important use of this tear gas. Okay, the next one with formula K2CO3, pearl as. It has a common name, pearl as, which is nothing but a carbonate derivative of alkali metal, isn't it? Potassium carbonate, okay, right. The next one, an organic compound with formula C9H8O4, which has a structural formula. So what I have drawn here is nothing but the structural formula, the compound which is having the molecular formula C9H8O4. Okay, its common name is aspirin. What is it called? Aspirin. Its chemical name acetyl salicylic acid. What is it? It is nothing but acetyl salicylic acid. Acetyl derivative of salicylic acid. Actually, this is salicylic acid. Benzene compound with OH and COH, the adjacent carbon. An ortho derivative is called salicylic acid. When this OH hydrogen is substituted by acetyl group of formula CS3CO. COCS3 group is what we call acetyl group. But in salicylic acid, that alcoholic hydrogen is getting replaced by acetyl group, so it's called acetyl salicylic acid. Aspirin, very important drug. Okay, the next one with formula SnCl4.5H2O, it's called as butter of tin. What is it called? Butter of tin. Its common name, its chemical name is tin chloride, tetrachloride, tin tetrachloride, or tin 4 chloride with 5 water molecule, pentahydrate, tin chloride pentahydrate, tin 4 chloride pentahydrate also, because here the oxidation state of tin is about 4. Okay, right. The next one with formula HgCl2, corrosive sublimate. Its common name is what? Corrosive sublimate. It's nothing but mercury chloride. Nothing but what? Mercury chloride. The next one, also a compound of mercury, chloride compound of mercury with formula Hg2Cl2, which is called as calomel. What is this called? Calomel, and its chemical name is mercurous chloride. The difference in mercury chloride, Hg is in +2 oxidation state, whereas in mercurous chloride, Hg is in +1 oxidation state. Okay, right. +2 state mercury chloride, +1 state mercurous chloride. Okay, right. The next compound with formula MgOH twice, MgOH twice, which is called as milk of lime. What is it called? Milk of lime. Its chemical name is nothing but magnesium hydroxide, MgOH twice magnesium hydroxide. Okay, then I have given some organic compounds also. A compound with molecular formula C6H5CHO, which is called as oil of bitter almond. Oil of bitter almond, common name. Its chemical name is benzaldehyde. It's nothing but benzene ring with an aldehyde group, CHO group. So benzaldehyde is chemical name. The next one, this is the formula, structural formula, benzene with OH and COCH3 group. This is also nothing but a derivative of salicylic acid. OH COH is salicylic acid. That carboxyl hydrogen is getting substituted by methyl group. Okay, so this compound is nothing but oil of wintergreen. What is this called? Oil of wintergreen. Its chemical name methyl salicylate. In salicylic acid, carboxyl hydrogen is getting substituted by methyl group, isn't it? So its chemical name methyl salicylate. The last one with molecular formula C6H5NO2, benzene ring with a NO2 group. It's a nitro compound actually, okay, which is called as oil of merbane. The name of this common name of this compound is oil of merbane. Its chemical name nitrobenzene. It's a benzene compound in which we have NO2 group attached with benzene ring, so it's called nitrobenzene. Okay, right. So I hope you are able to follow the common name of some important chemical compounds. Okay, right. Thank you. Keep watching other videos also. Right. Thank you very much.